Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can change your Shopify currency to USD. So for that you'll need to go to shopify.com and log in with your account, and from the home page what you'll have to do is you'll have to press the settings button at the bottom left corner, and then a new page will load up, and in the general section you will see store defaults category, and beneath that you will see currency display. So all you have to do is you'll have to press this three dot button and then press change store currency. So after you press that, this new site menu will come up, and you'll see this store currency. You'll have to press this drop down menu, and here you will see all the currencies. So as we want it to change to USD, so simply press and select USD and then press save. So after you press save, your Shopify currency, as you can see, has already been changed to USD. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.